Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about Public Credit Registry. Now, what is Public Credit Registry? How it will improve India's financial system and how it is going to make life of the people easy. In this video, you are going to learn all that. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it on social media. Help us to spread education in this beautiful world. So let us see what exactly is Public Credit Registry. Now, why is Public Credit Registry in news? Now, RBI is planning to set up a Public Credit Registry which is based on the recommendation of YM Diostali Committee. Now, what is Public Credit Registry? Now, in simple words, if I have to explain you, one place, let's suppose there is a library, a digital library, wherein once you click search, you will get information about a particular individual or a company. Now, this information will include everything: the loans taken by the person, the amount of outstanding, the number of bank accounts he has, the number of trading account he has, the number of financial transactions he has made, any default which he has made in the past, how much loan he has taken from different banks. So it is a digital repository which will give credit information about a person or a company in one window. You don't have to go at different places. So I hope you get the concept. It will give a 360-degree profile of an individual. It will not only collect information from banks but also SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, from Corporate Affairs Ministry, from Goods and Service Tax Network, from Insolvency Bank Board of India. Now, all the institutions who are dealing with the financial portfolio profile of an individual or a company will provide all the information at one place. So, can you imagine how easy it would be for banks to see the person's background, the profile, and how easy it will be for the people to apply for loans? I will explain all that in the coming slides. So let us progress further. Now, Public Credit Registry is a database of credit information which is accessible by all the stakeholders. When I say all the stakeholders, individuals, companies, banks, and different financial institutions. It will capture all relevant information in one large database on both individual and corporate borrowers. So this point should be very clear. For individuals, it will take Aadhaar information, and for companies, it will take corporate identification number. Now, it will be managed by a public authority as RBI, and the lenders will have to mandatory report the loan details. So all the banks will have to report whatever loan they are giving to these individuals and the companies, and it will be managed by RBI. Now, how will PCR, Public Credit Registry, help RBI? This is the most important question. Now, it will help credit assessment and pricing by the bank, risk-based, counter-cyclical, and dynamic provisioning of the bank. Now, I'll explain you. This is a very important concept. Credit assessment. Now, credit assessment can be done for the banks as well as for the person who is coming to the bank for loan. So credit assessment means what is the credibility, what is the credit worthiness of the person. Will the person or will the bank able to sustain itself? Can the person borrow more amount of loan? This is called credit assessment. And pricing by the bank, risk based. Now pricing means how much rate of interest the bank will charge on different products, loans, overdrafts. So this can be decided on this counter cyclical and dynamic provisioning of the bank. Now every bank keeps certain amount of money with RBI as a matter of cushion to sustain itself, to build the confidence in the public. So if the RBI knows that this bank is very strong, RBI will give more leverage, will allow the bank to lend more money. And if RBI knows that this bank is very weak, RBI will put strict measures. So it will be easy not only for RBI but also for individual banks and also for the people of this country. Supervision and early intervention by regulator, I have already explained. RBI will be in a very good position to take care of any disturbance, any instability, any fluctuations which are for short term in any of the banks in the country. It will be like understanding the transmission of monetary policy work and its bottlenecks. Now, we all know that RBI comes with monetary policy, and there are two objectives of monetary policy. One is to control inflation, and the second is to instill growth. So, growth and inflation, these are the two objectives of monetary policy. Now, whenever RBI comes with monetary policy, they do not have any viable resource to check, to confirm how much benefit the monetary policy is making at the ground level. But this public credit registry will help RBI to do that. Restructuring the stressed bank credit. Now, we all know that all the major commercial banks are struggling with huge bad assets. Now, this is going to help the banks in restructure the bank loans. So I'm sure overall you would have got a good idea about what is PCR. Now, it is an information repository which will collate all the loan information. It will distinguish between a good and a bad borrower. Now, the banks will give good rate of interest to good borrowers and high rate of interest to bad borrowers. So this is the basic benefit. It will also improve India's ranking in ease of doing business in the World Bank and other international organizations. It will also increase the credit availability at MSMEs, the micro, small, and medium enterprises. Now, normally the banks would want to give loans to big companies because they know everything about them. But the small companies who are in villages, rural areas, or in cities, micro level, small and medium enterprise companies would now be able to get loans through public credit registry. So it will increase the credit availability in the MSME sector. So this is a very, very good initiative by RBI, and we all should, as people of this country, should support RBI intervention to bring public credit registry as soon as possible. Now, RBI has already rolled out invitations from different IT companies, in fact, 6 IT companies, to come and give a proposal for making public credit registry. So things are working in a positive way. I'm sure within few years this will be a reality. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video on social media. Help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.